Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Finelo app. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to start using Finelo here, maybe you want to learn about trading here or master trading, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to install the app. So you want to open up Google Play Store here, look for Finelo, and just click on the install button. So since we already have this installed, let's go and click on open. Now, inside the app, there are a few things or a few details that you may want to fill up, and that includes creating your account and answering a few questions here. Now, if you already have an account, you're going to click on I already have an account. Let's go and click on create new account here and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, you can go and just answer yes or no here. Now, from here, you can go and answer your age and also click on continue. Now, what is your main goal here? And basically answer as much as you can here. Click on continue and just answer this one. Now, there are going to be a lot of questions that you may need to answer in here. Like, for example, do you feel FOMO, fear of missing out? You can answer appropriately. Do you know anything about trading? No, but like to know. No, for not knowing what to invest in. And what interests you the most about trading? So, growing my wealth. Now, let's go and click on continue. Now, from here, you can go and answer yes, I'm in certain specific companies, or no, I'm not in certain companies. Do you currently use any trading tools or platforms? No. Click on continue, and you're going to go for trading. And here, enjoy freedom. Yes, I'm ready to start trading here. Click on continue, and about strategies and a few R's. Now, depending on how you answer here, this actually tailors the experience for Finelo on your account. So that's why answering as much as you can or answering as honestly as you can is going to be really important. Now you could go ahead and just basically answer appropriate here. Now from here, you can go and click on start my 3-day trial here and just choose the appropriate option. But if you want to skip that for now, go ahead and click on the X button at the top left of your screen, click on continue. Click on leave here, create new account. But now, once you've chosen your plan here, you should be able to start creating your account. That includes entering your email address here and even creating a username for yourself. Now, you may also need to agree to terms, privacy policy, and subscription terms here. Go and just agree to that and click on continue. Now, on the next page here, it will also require you to create your password. So that involves you entering a password here. So at least 6 characters, contains lowercase letters, and at least one number. Now, go and click or just enter your password and confirmation of that password and click on create account. Now, they may ask you to pick or further customize your experience here for the app. So you could go and just pick your starting point here. So if you're a complete beginner, go and choose that one. Now, from here, you can go and set your daily goal and click on continue. And from here, you should be able to see the main UI for the app. Now, the learn section here, this is where you should be redirected by default. So this is where you start learning. So in this case, you have day 1, like trading fundamentals, day 2, how trading works, and just basically the learnings here. So again, depending on how or what you picked before, the options or the experience may be different here. So you could go and start learning if you want to. Now, if you click on tools, this is where you'll be able to start analyzing positions or even using the AI mentor. Now, if you want to basically find like smart pattern finders, if you want to use their pattern finder here, even AI market forecasters here, you can go ahead and use that. But obviously, you need to have a pro plan in order for you to start using it. Now, you also have the simulator, so if you want to like apply what you just learned here without you actually spending your money, you can go ahead and start buying assets here. So basically just an applicate or a way for you to apply whatever you learned on the learn section. Now, you also have the profile section here, which should allow you to start editing your profile. Like, for example, this is where you should be able to see your settings if you click on the gear icon at the top right. You also have the pencil icon at the top right here if you want to further edit your information. But yeah, so those are the basics in order for you to get started with using the app Finelo here, and that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.